What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have an unboxing today. I got a new helmet from Bell Helmets. It is a bicycle helmet. The other one that I have from Bell covers the ears. This one doesn't, and it's yellow. At least that's what I ordered. So I'm excited to give it a shot this summer. I figured it'd be perfect for the summer. You know, open-eared. Oh, here it is. Very nice box. Get this down here, as you can see. Lid wide open. Let's take it out. Here we go. Easy peasy. And yeah. All right, here it is. Nice. All right, let me try this on. It's got the little, it's got that little dial thing in the back to cinch it tighter or looser, just like the Beam helmet that I got, and just like some construction helmets you see. Let's see. Nice and snug. Yep. Open it up a little bit in the back, make it fit properly. Yeah, this is cool. I'm happy with this. Very nice. I might throw some stickers on it. I might not, but this goes perfectly with the Zeus, which right now is all decked out and yellowed up. I've got some cameras on. I'm going to do a little ride in a second. I've got the Zeus logos all yellow everywhere the eye can see. There's even a little cap down here that's yellow. Right there. You can barely see it because it's dark. Very cool. And that's about it. Nice and short. Super easy unboxing. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your fucking grandma.